Okay, Dr. Day says he can get kids to eat vegetables. So 2 kids came in. We have Lydia and Brody here. Do you like vegetables?
Yeah, I do. They're actually.
What's your favorite?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. No
Oh,
way.
man,
What about you,
hard.
Lydia?
I like broccoli and carrots.
Okay, but do you need dip?
Sometimes.
Okay, well, you guys, that's breakfast today, okay?
There we go.
What are some other tricks to get?
So this are all based on the latest in science because 9 in 10 children don't get enough veggies.
Yeah.
So first, setting an example. So,
Okay, so we can dig in.
We'll dig in.
All right.
Next, this is to serve vegetables first.
Mm-hmm.
If you serve vegetables with chicken nuggets or something like that, they don't stand a chance. Serve vegetables first.
Like an appetizer.
Like an appetizer.
Okay.
Gamify it. For older children, there are apps, they can track it. Youngers, maybe they can make a face or charts, etc. Even adults, it works for adults.
Okay.
Making it convenient, having it ready, a variety, and getting kids involved.
Okay, like make them peel the carrots.
Exactly. Or
help
selecting them, or grow the
Okay.
carrots.
Okay, that's a great idea. Get out in the garden. Do you guys have a garden?
No.
No, but we used to.
Okay, but yeah, do you help in the
try.
kitchen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and that will really help to get them involved.
Studies show that all of these have been shown in studies to significantly increase vegetable intake with kids.
Okay, what works the best?
Probably the best study I saw was gamifying a video game telling kids to eat vegetables and record them.
Okay, and like make it a challenge.
Make it a challenge.
Okay, Ron, back into you. I'll eat a carrot in your honor, Ron. Another.